I'm Dr. Stephen Dan at the Australian National University. I'm formerly a Lethbridge University Dhillon Business School visiting scholar, and I'm going to be running a LEGO Serious Play workshop for you to give you a chance to try out this technique of using LEGO pieces for story sharing. So what is LEGO Serious Play? LEGO Serious Play is a technique that was developed by the LEGO Corporation in the mid-90s as an information sharing tool. The idea was to take ordinary pieces of LEGO and use them as a way to build objects to represent ideas. What skills are in it for me? LEGO Serious Play is a challenging, innovative approach to holding conversations in the workplace, and we hope to give you the opportunity to test drive some of the elements involved in this. Proactive listening, meaning making, and above all, playing with LEGO in the name of management science. How will LEGO Serious Play help me in the future? Now, these skills are going to be useful for when you're starting to do presentations in the workplace, when you're needing to communicate the meanings of graphs and tables and results of analysis, because they're going to give you skills in contextualization, active listening, and active sharing. Being able to take an object, in this case, in the exercise, it will be a set of LEGO, and give meaning to that object, to create something that is important to you to communicate, but also understood by your listener.